Hey, what's up YouTube? It's GodofSoles, the GodofSoles. Today I'm showing y'all a pair of Air Jordan 4s, retro university blue / black, size 11. This is on my eBay account. Got the receipt. Travis Scott 4s, Cactus Jack 4s, whatever you want to call them. Just want to give you a quick look, just like the last pair. It's on my eBay account. All the information will be down below. If you're interested in purchasing these, size 11. The link will be in the description for my website as well. And if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up, shoot me a message. Just want to give you all a quick look if you're interested. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'll have more shoes posted for sale. Multiple sizes, not just size 11. I do wear 11.5, so if you're selling anything, feel free to hit me up. I'm always buying shoes anyways. So you know, just hit me up. Size 11, like I said, you can write me on Instagram. That'll be like the fastest way to get in contact with me at StillDraw1. Like I said, the information will be down below for you to hit me up. And like I said, if you're interested in purchasing anything, you know, I do have more shoes on my eBay account. Mostly I'm just gonna post like the more expensive shoes on here. I do have like other shoes as well, like Black Cement 3s, True Blue 3s, just a bunch of like random shoes. I could do videos on those as well if y'all would like. So maybe I'll just group that video like all in one. Like instead of just showing one pair, I'll show like multiple, and so that way I get an idea of what the shoes look like. But yeah, but Travis Scott 4s, Cactus Jack 4s. If you have any questions, just let me know. And thanks for watching.